Look at your boy, Daddy. Look what he's just brought for me. Can you see? Look what my little boy's just brought. Look at him. He's so proud of himself and he's showing me what he's done. Oh, Ariel, you clever boy. Show Daddy what a big boy you are, bringing your grandma this present. Bless him. Oh, Ariel, you clever boy. Are you a clever boy? Did you bring that to your grandma? Oh, he's so proud of himself. He bought me a present and laid it in front of me. You clever, clever boy. Ariel. Oh, bless him. Now what do I do with it? Oh, it's definitely deaded. Been and gone. Why can't I do this thing? I think I'm dyslexic or something, whatever you call it. Oh, poor Daddy bird. He just laid it in front of me and gave it to me. It's so gorgeous. Oh, bless. Oh, I'll send this to you.